Alright guys, let's talk about pull-ups. Hands facing away, grabbing the bar either shoulder width apart or slightly wider. What you want to do is think about pulling the bar into your chest instead of just pulling yourself towards the bar. So notice what I'm doing with my shoulders. You don't want to do this and internally rotate. Helps to video yourself to see what you're doing. Start by hanging all the way down and then pull those shoulders down and then start pulling yourself up. All right, give that a shot.